You really want to go on Sunday? Sunday it is then. Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. 今回紹介するのはシンプルすぎて逆に難しいです。今まで皆さんが一生懸命に学んできた英語が台無しになってしまう可能性が十分あります。衝撃的ですよね。まあ、そこまでではないと思いますが、一応言っとかないとですね。結論から言うと、例えば、It is Sunday が Sunday it is になりますね。気になりますか？割とマニアックな英語になってしまいますか？使いこなせるようになったら、さらに英語力アップですよね。Are you ready for the English part of the video? English it is. Here is the lesson lineup. Here's the basic introduction. So most people are used to seeing it is followed by something. I mean like, it is my new car. It is really rainy today. It is the best way to do it. In some special cases, we can also use it is at the end of a sentence, but it doesn't happen very often. Things like, yes it is, or I think it is. It's also occasionally used in the pattern, what a something. But this is kind of an old-fashioned way of speaking and nobody uses it very much these days. What a cute dog it is. What a lovely picture it is. What an expensive watch it is. However, there is one other way, which is the main point of this video, to put it is at the end of a sentence to add a completely different nuance to what you are saying. First, I want you to see, to experience how it's used with English in action. It's my big boy's birthday tomorrow. We always have a special birthday dinner when his dad gets home. Oh, here he is, my birthday boy. Stop saying that. I'm not a little kid anymore. Okay then, if you're such a grown-up, then you don't need a cake. Cakes are for little kids. I didn't say that. See? You're like a big kid. What kind of cake do you want? Let's see. I had chocolate last year and strawberry shortcake the year before that, so you've got a good memory when it comes to food. Pity it didn't work on your school studies, eh? So what kind of cake do you want? Cheesecake. It's got to be cheesecake. Cheesecake for a birthday? Well, it's not very birthday-ish, is it? And your father, he doesn't even like cheesecake. It gives him his stomach, you know. Duh! Come on, Mum. It's my birthday. I know. It's your special day. Cheesecake it is then. How is it used? We use this structure when we're deciding on something. We might have a few choices and we finally decide on one after a little bit of negotiation. Negotiation, yeah, that's a key point here. It's often used for a time, a date, an amount, or a location. We discuss something and we come to an agreement. So it doesn't have to be about business. In fact, it's quite often used in very casual situations. Let's take this very simple example. What are we going to do for dinner? How about pizza? Pizza? Okay. Pizza it is. 夕飯どうする? Pizza どう? Pizza か。わかった。じゃあ、ピザにしますか。Let's see it again in English. What are we going to do for dinner? How about pizza? Pizza. Okay. Pizza it is.
Why do we speak like this? It's funny because it's kind of a classical way of speaking. It adds a bit of fun, a touch of character to your English. But when you think about it, it actually sounds a bit like Yoda from Star Wars.
Truly wonderful. The mind of a child is...
In a Japanese conversation, you might use nani nani de gozaimasu with your friends and family just for fun.
はい、コーヒーでございます。はい。
Now, there are 3 little pieces of advice that I have for you. Point 1. You can't make it shorter. I mean by saying it's. So you can say pizza it is, but you can't say pizza it's. It just sounds weird. Point 2. You never use it in the past tense. I mean, you can't say pizza it was. It's always is. Pizza it is. Point 3. By adding then after it is, it makes it sound more final. It gives it that little more impact. Pizza it is then.
Dylan, I got some free tickets for Disneyland. Oh, great! They've got a new attraction. I haven't seen it yet. When do you want to go? How about Halloween? Halloween? We always go at Halloween. What's wrong with Halloween? They've got all the spooky decorations and stuff. And we can have some of that, what's it called again? Pumpkin pie flavored popcorn. It was great. I'd really like to go at Christmas. Christmas? Ah, Dylan, you know I'm really busy at the end of the year. Ah, go on. It'll be fun. And we can take a picture in front of the Christmas tree, and Haunted Mansion is decorated for Christmas. Christmas? Yeah, it'll be fun. All right. Christmas it is then. Woo!
It's homework time. Are you ready for a wee bit of homework? Today I'm going to give you a question about the scene that you just watched with Sachiko and Dylan. So they talk about going to Disneyland. The question is this: why does Dylan want to go to Disneyland at Christmas instead of at Halloween? Okay, so put your answer down in the comments below and I'll be sure to check them as soon as they arrive, okay? The next video up is this one over here. It's about how to use recently. It's really useful and I definitely recommend that you go there right now, okay? Let's go. Click, click.